Hey everyone, while opening PowerPoint, if you get the problem, PowerPoint found a problem with the content, and if you press the repair button to repair the file, you get the error messages, sorry, PowerPoint cannot read. This problem is due to the trust location issue. For this, here is the solution for you. Go to the File tab in the top left corner. Click on Options at the bottom. In the PowerPoint Options window, select Trust Center from the menu on the left. Now, click on the Trust Center Settings button. In the Trust Center window, select Trusted Locations from the list on the left. Here you need to provide the trusted location of the PowerPoint file which is not being opened. To add a new trusted location, click on the Add New Location button. A new window will pop up. Here, click Browse and select the folder where your problematic PowerPoint file is stored. Here in my case, the problematic file is located in the Download folder. Make sure the path is correct and click OK. Once you're done, click OK to close the Trusted Location window, then click OK again to close the Trust Center window, and one last time to close the PowerPoint Options window. Close the PowerPoint window. Now, when you open the file again, PowerPoint should open it without any content warnings. And there you have it. By adding a trusted location, you've bypassed the content warning and can now work on your presentation without issues. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.